You know what I like most in a device? I like a device that has versatility. The versatility of the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is honestly why I like the device so much. I'm a huge fan of devices that are versatile, have multiple purposes, multiple things that you can do with them. And so I just find that I'm being drawn to using the Galaxy Z's Trifold so much because of how many different ways I can use it. I can use it as a phone. I can use it as a tablet. I can use it as a secondary monitor for my laptop. I can use it as a gaming display because it does great emulation, and I find that it's kind of the one device that I need to kind of do a little bit because I don't game a ton, but gaming portably sometimes, and it's the device I carry in my pocket all the time, that's great. I don't need an external monitor all the time, but when I do, I have one. I don't need a tablet all the time, but when I do, I have one. Having this versatility is the thing I love the most about devices like this that have versatility. For example, with my ZenBook Duo, I don't always use two screens. I actually most of the time use the one screen with the keyboard actually on the other screen, so I'm using it just like a normal laptop. But when I do travel, it is so nice to have that second monitor, pop the keyboard off, have that second monitor come up, and then I can get some real productivity work done. I use it quite often when I'm traveling, but I don't always use it, which is the big point. It has the versatility, and I get the option of when and when I don't use it. And that's why I love the Galaxy Z Trifold, because it gives me options. The versatility it provides is great for choice and options. And as someone who both has ADHD and does random projects all the time, but also has a job and a life that kind of requires me to do different things all the time, especially on the go, I definitely find that having options is the best thing that I can have in my tech devices, which is why my laptop is versatile. It's why my phone is versatile. And between those two devices now, I kind of have all my bases covered. So the way this thing works is with the rolling square tablet kit. It's a little magnet with a hinge. I keep them in my back pocket. And with this hinged magnet, I can connect it to my laptop. I can use it as a stand for my phone. I can use it as a way to play games from it or to do some work on the go with Dex mode. It just gives me all those options that I need, and that's what enables me to do it. This kit comes with a stick-on ring that is magnetic, so it's just a metal stick-on ring that I've put on the back of my phone. The placement is perfectly placed so that I can put my phone in portrait mode and slap it to the side of my laptop and allows me to use it as an external display. It also enables me to use it as a kickstand and all those kind of things because of the placement, but that is why it's placed specifically there and not specifically where it would like help with say like Qi 2 or Apple's wireless charging pads. So that's why it's a little bit lower than those, but again, has not affected my wireless charging. Let me know what you guys think of the versatility of devices in the comments below. Attached in the description, I have all the products that you've seen in this video, the keyboard, the magnets I'm using to do these kind of things. All of that is attached below, so definitely take a look at that and see you in the next video.